Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria and I hope you're all doing great. Well, today we are on day 10 of the 12 DIYs of Christmas. And by the time you're watching this, Christmas will be finished, New Year's will be finished. But at this moment, it's actually officially Christmas Eve day. It is after midnight and I am up to film a video to make sure that I keep my pact of getting 12 videos done for the 12 DIYs of Christmas. I am swamped with so many things that I have to get done and a little bit behind. So I wanted to do something, again, very simple, but using Dollar Tree items to create a two-tiered tray. Now this particular one I will be using for cookies and sweets, and I can use it for decor as well. And it's, again, very simple, just using Dollar Tree items, putting them together to create a beautiful functional decor piece. So these were one of my favorite plates that Dollar Tree carried, and I had purchased these probably a couple of years ago and never got around to making anything. But I wish now that I had purchased more, because I love the mistletoe and holly berries that are on the plate, and just because the color scheme goes along with what I use when I decorate, which is green, white, and red. I love the plate, the smaller plate that says "'Tis the Season," and I just think that since I only did get the two, that the best way for me to use these would be to make a two-tiered tray so that I can add on my sweet table or my dining room table and enjoy them just the same. So I have the smaller plate and the larger plate. I have a clay pot or ceramic pot. This one I actually picked it up at Dollarama, but you can definitely find pots at Dollar Tree if you want to keep it all Dollar Tree. I didn't really intend to do these 12 DIYs of Christmas to be solely Dollar Tree, but because I make Dollar Tree crafts, it seems like it ended up that way. But hopefully for future DIYs of Christmas, or the 12 DIYs of Christmas, I'll just be making crafts, whether it be from Dollar Tree, Dollarama, Walmart, or even thrifting. So that will be my future goal. I think it'll just make it more interesting instead of keeping it all Dollar Tree. But again, you can pick up a pot at Dollar Tree. I decided to go with red so that I wouldn't have to spray paint anything or paint it. But if you can't find anything in a color that you want, you can always get something glass and then spray paint the inside of the glass. This way the outside won't chip. I also have this little glass canister that has the metal silver lid that screws on and off. And then I have a couple of Christmas ornaments. They are by Christmas House that I picked up at Dollar Tree, and I used two of them for something else and I had two left over, and so I'm going to use up these two ornaments to place inside the canister. Now, the reason I like using the canister is because it is what holds up the top plate to the larger plate. And I love this idea because you can fill this up either with candy or little cookies. You can also put an LED candle in here if you want to light it up, or a little ornament. You really can have a lot of fun decorating this two-tiered tray, not only on the plates, but inside this little canister as well. So other than that, I have my E6000 glue and my hot glue, and I'm ready to put this together. So I'll probably just set it to some music and you can watch me as I put it together. And once I have completed it, I'll show you the final look at the end of the video.
Peace on earth and goodwill toward men. That's what Christmas is all about.
Okay guys, so here is my two-tiered tray, and how pretty is this? Obviously it was very simple to put together and very, very inexpensive. In the center there, I glued my two ornaments together so that if you're on one side you will see Noel, and if you're on the other side you will see Joy. And I just added some Epsom salt in there. Also, if you saw as I was putting it together, I took two tumbling blocks and glued them together and placed the ornament on top so that it stands up. And then I thought to add the Epsom salt so that it looks like snow, and this way it holds it down in place as well. But again, this little center container is so great if you want to fill it with goodies or even add a strand of lights in there to light up the two-tiered tray. I love the red, the green, and the white, and this will definitely be a nice addition on top of my sweet table. Well guys, that'll do it for this Dollar Tree DIY in the 12 DIYs of Christmas. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click on that like button, share the video if you can. It will greatly help my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always, you guys take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now.